dark and difficult times lie ahead. Soon we must all face the choice between what is right and what is easy.
Good day to you all. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Danny, otherwise known as PAP for Police Abusing Powers. Today's video is hopefully quite a special video for you. Now, it's not like one of my normal videos where I talk about an incident that may have occurred or exposing somebody who needs to be exposed to the public for abusing their position and their powers. No. Today is all about you guys. That's correct. I am before I carry on, do you like my new shirt? Got my Police Abusing Powers shirt from a merch store. If you're interested in any of that yourself, the links are in the description. We have a USA style emblem, and we also have this, the UK one. We also have some other designs as well. Please feel free to go and check those links out for yourself if there's something there that you would like. There's mugs, cushions, phone cases, t-shirts, hoodies, vests for men and women. So please go and check that out if you'd like some of the merchandise. Anyway, moving on. I never imagined, to be quite honest, that the channel would grow as quickly as it has. I started the channel at the end of February. It's now the end of September. So in just 7 months, I've got to over 8,000 subscribers. In fact, it was only the other day I hit 8,000 subscribers at 3 in the morning, and now we're already at 8,200 and something subscribers, and I could not be more grateful to each and every one of you who enjoys the channel, who enjoys my videos and content. So thank you, first of all, for that. The second thing is that I want to give something back. So for that reason, I've decided to come up with a giveaway, something I want to give you. Now, there are a lot of people out there who don't have the means to video or photograph the incidents that are occurring or record them in any way. There are a lot of people that do, and they do it on their mobile phones. There's a lot of people out there that want to have something that they can take with them, something easy to carry, something that they can pull out at any time and start recording incidents that they may come across, especially to send to me to share on the channel. So what I've decided to do, guys, is to give you something back for helping me grow the channel. I'll go through the terms shortly of how to get hold of this, but I'm going to show you now what it is that I'm actually giving away. This is a 4K digital video camera. Okay, it has a 48 megapixel sensor. It has Wi-Fi capabilities, and I'll go through all the specs with you in just a few moments, but I'm going to open the box here and show you exactly what we have. Now, we have a user's guide. We have a quick user manual. We have a larger user manual. We have information there on the shotgun mic that comes with it. Comes with a shotgun mic as well. We have HD cable, so it's a mini HD to large HD. So the mini HD would go into the camera, the large HD can go into your television or your recording device, or even your laptop or computer, and you can watch your footage in HD. It comes with a charging cable and data cable. This can be used as a webcam. Okay, this can be used as a webcam as well, but it comes with a data cable and charger, which will plug into any mobile phone charging plug that has a USB slot on it. Comes with a battery. It comes with a shotgun mic, which fits in the cold shoe connection on the top of the camera, which I will show you shortly. and a little jack that pops into the side of the camera to pick up the audio. It also comes with two lenses. It comes with an ultra wide lens. Okay, so this will give you a wider field of view from the same position, and it also comes with a macro lens as well. Okay, so you can take really clear close-up footage of insects or flowers or something small. These two fit together, so you would put the macro lens on first and then you would screw this lens on top of it, and it will give you the magnification that you need in order to capture very fine detail on something close up. Comes with a lens cover on the big lens, and it also comes with a lens cap for the back as well, so your lenses are protected, and they come in a nice little bag which you can carry with you as well. Now, the camera itself, put that on the floor, camera itself comes in this nice little bag. Okay, look how big it is. It's tiny, you know, it can fit literally in the palm of my hand. It has a belt loop on the back, so you can hook it onto your belt, carry it with you. Velcro lid to stop the device from falling out, and there it is. Lovely little handheld 4K digital camcorder. Now the good thing about this, guys, is that, and I'll go through the specs with you, because this camera is on Amazon. So I'm going to show you an Amazon listing for it to show you some photographs and some more information. But the great thing about this is that you pop your battery on. Literally, as soon as you open the LCD display, it turns itself on, and there we go, ready to start filming within a few seconds. All you would do at that point is press the record button, and away you go. Now it does require, doesn't come with it, it does require an SD card. Okay, the one I've got in this at the moment is my spare 64. Well, it's not spare, it's for my body cam. But this is a 64 gig micro SD card, which you're going to have to, unfortunately, buy your own SD card for it. But I mean, I've been messing around with this myself, and I've had some great shots of the dogs out in the back garden, etc. The cold shoe mount on the top comes with a little clip in there, which comes out, and then your shotgun mic just fits on. Tighten that up, plug the mic into the jack on the front, and quite literally there you have it. All you need to go out and capture some of these tosspots abusing their powers. Now, you don't need this on. It does have a microphone at the front here, but this will help somewhat if you want to use it. So I'm going to take that back off for now. Now, all of this comes in the box. You will get all of this, okay, apart from the SD card. But you can see here it has the jack for the headphones or for the shotgun mic. It has the port there for the data cable and to charge it. And it also has the HD connection there. Charging this, you leave the battery in, you plug the data cable in, plug it into a plug with a USB socket on, and it will charge while it's plugged in, and you can still use it while it's charging as well. So if you're out and about and you've got, say, a power bank, you can take the cable, you can plug it in if the battery starts to run low, and you can continue filming running power from your power bank. Okay, so it's really, really handy. Lovely little, really light, very easy to use. It has 16 times view, 4K 1080p 48 megapixel with Wi-Fi, so you can hook this up through Wi-Fi to your mobile phone. I've not looked into the Wi-Fi part of it, so I don't know exactly what it does, but I believe you can use an app on your phone to send signals to this in order to start recording or stop recording, for example. It has motion sensor recording as well, so you can set it up somewhere and leave it, and when somebody walks past or when something moves, it will then start recording. So, I mean, it's got some great functions on it, guys. It really has. It's made by Andoa. Okay, so it's not a Sony or a Panasonic or anything like that. But for what it is fabulous. Okay, and we're still talking a fair bit of money for it as well. So, it also has night shot as well. The LCD display turns all the way round. Okay, so if you are, even if you're a blogger and you do your own things online, you know, you can see exactly what you're filming because you've got your LCD display turned all the way round. It has night vision, as you can see there. It's black and white. Now it's difficult to show in this light, but it has infrared night vision as well. Doesn't work when the lenses are on, because the lenses, you see them lights there, the lenses cover those lights, and they're the lights that are obviously used in order to use the night vision. And with one click you can turn night vision on and off. If you see them lights, you see how that works? Okay, so that is what I'm giving away, guys, absolutely free of charge. And again, just to show you how quickly you can get this to work, it is off. It is switched off when this is closed. Open that. 2, 3 seconds it starts. Press that button and you're recording. So that's how quick this gets going. And you can use this, as I say, in so many different situations, especially if you are an auditor, or if you have lots of trouble with the police, or if you just want to record something in particular. Great. Okay, now let me show you here on Amazon the listing of the same camera. This isn't the one where I got it from, but this is the same camera. I'll show you some photos here. So this is what the camera looks like. It normally comes in coffee or black color. This is the black one. It's got the super wide vision 0.37 wide angle macro lens, 4K Ultra HD 48 megapixel Wi-Fi digital video camera, 3-inch capacitive touchscreen, anti-shake, exposure compensation and face detect, 16 times digital zoom, advanced technology guarantee, high image quality. Andoa digital video camera adopts for Novatec 96660 chipset and for Panasonic 34110 14 megapixel CMOS sensor. It can shoot 4K Ultra HD video and 48 megapixel super high definition photos. So we're not talking about a crappy camera that's going to give you grainy footage. This is, you know, this is going to give you some cracking footage. So let's just read this very quickly. So Andoa digital camera adopt advanced Novatec 96660 chip. It can shoot 4K 24 frames a second, interpolation, stunning and 48 megapixel interpolation high definition photos. A 0.39 times wide angle macro lens offer a wider perspective, equipped with high quality external stereo mic to record crystal clear sounds. Infrared night vision with IR cut, double optic filters. You can shoot super clearly at both bright and dark conditions. 3-inch capacitive touchscreen Wi-Fi and wired data transmission. 2 storage card slots, 3.7 volt, 2500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. That is what somebody watching this video is going to win. Now I can quite literally hear you screaming at your screen right now saying, "Pap, just get to the damn point. I want to know how to get my hands on it." And I'm now going to tell you. The channel is at about 8,250-ish subscribers. I want to hit the next goal of 10,000 subscribers, and I want your help to do that, which is why I'm doing this giveaway. All you have to do is like this video, share this video either in your WhatsApp group, your Telegram group, your Discord group, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere and everywhere that you can. Share this video. Tell your friends, tell your connections to come and check out the channel and to subscribe. And in the comments, simply because I'm interested in knowing where you've all come from, I'd like you just to comment and let me know how you found my channel. Now, whether it was in a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group or Facebook or a search on YouTube or advertise a recommended video for, that showed up on one of Crime Bodge's videos or wherever it might be, I just want to know where you've all come from, just out of pure interest. And it gives you a reason to comment as well. So you need to comment. I'm asking you to please share the video. Ask your friends, your contacts to come and check out the channel. To come and subscribe. Like the video. And in doing so, you're going to help to grow this channel to a point where hopefully I'm not just earning a couple of dollars a month in ad revenue. Might be able to get to a point where I can start doing some more of these giveaways and giving back to you something for your support in helping to grow this channel. And that's quite simply all you have to do. Like the video, share the video, comment in the comment section below how you found this channel, and that is it. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, I will do a YouTube live video where I will ask a random subscriber who's watching, I will ask for a number, and that number, I won't tell you whether I'm counting from the bottom or the top, but that number will be either counted down from the top comment or up from the bottom comment, and whichever number whichever comment corresponds to the number that I'm given will win the camera. And then all you need to do is contact me with your address and your name, and I will send it to you as soon as possible. And that is it. Very, very simple. You can get your hands on a fantastic little 4K digital camera. The channel can grow a little bit more, get a bit more reach, help some more people, expose more people, and in process everybody's helping everybody. So that's it. That's all you need to do. I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to go on anymore. I think I've gone on long enough. I just want to thank you again. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you for the support you give the channel. I know a lot of you share videos already because it shows in my analytics. Most people that watch my videos are non-subscribers. Okay, over 50% of my videos views come from non-subscribers every month. So those people that are non-subscribers, please consider subscribing. Please, to help us to grow the channel, get a bit more popularity so that more people can see the kind of things that are going on in this country and unfortunately that we have to deal with on a daily basis. But as for everybody else who is a subscriber, thank you, and until next time,
good night all.